Across the vast expanse of deserts, through the treacherous seas, and over the towering mountain ranges, a network of trade routes once wove together the ancient world. These were the spice routes, pathways that transported not only precious spices but also ideas, cultures, and innovations. In the lush, verdant landscapes of ancient India, the story of the spice routes begins. It was here that exotic spices like black pepper, cardamom, and turmeric grew in abundance, cultivated with care by skilled farmers. The aroma of these spices wafted through bustling ports in the Middle East, where traders from far-flung regions came to exchange their goods. Arabian merchants played a pivotal role in bridging the gap between East and West, creating bustling trade hubs in cities like Alexandria and Baghdad. In the markets of ancient China, traders eagerly awaited the arrival of spices like cinnamon and ginger. These precious commodities traveled along the Silk Road, intertwining with the routes that carried silk, tea, and other treasures from the East. As the Mediterranean Sea shimmered under the golden sun, ships laden with spices docked at Roman ports. The Romans, known for their culinary opulence, valued spices not only for their flavor but also for their medicinal properties. But the spice routes were more than just pathways for trade, they were conduits for cultural exchanges. Along these routes, knowledge of medicine, astronomy, and mathematics spread, enriching civilizations and fostering innovations. Though the ancient spice routes eventually declined with the rise of maritime trade, their legacy endures. These ancient pathways remind us of a time when spices were worth their weight in gold and when trade connected the distant corners of our world. Today, as we savor the flavors that once traveled along these routes, we remember the traders and explorers who paved the way. The spice routes of ancient times were not just highways of commerce, they were the lifelines that wove together the rich tapestry of human civilization.